Daily attacks and barrages. How Turkey's continuous drone strike against North and East Syria refuels terrorism and destabilizes the region.
Güney sınırımız boyunca 30 kilometre derinliğinde güvenli bir hat kurma kararımız bakidir.
In the midst of Turkey's imminent threat to re-invade North and East Syria, President Erdogan has recently embarked on a full-scale drone war against the region and launched numerous attacks and barrages that hit civilian targets almost on a daily basis. During the most recent airstrike on the Al Sina neighborhood in El Qamishli, a traditionally industrial zone, 4 people were killed and 2 others severely injured, amongst them 2 children. The brutal attack reportedly caused the death of 2 minors who were working in a car repair shop in order to financially support their families. According to eyewitnesses, the bodies of the 2 killed minors were terribly mutilated and had to put into boxes. In addition, the blast completely destroyed 2 cars and severely damaged several shops in the vicinity. In spite of the widespread outrage and indignation that the brutal death of 2 young boys hailing from poor families has caused, Turkey nevertheless continues to perpetrate its merciless war against North and East Syria. In fact, the resulting rampant insecurity in the region bears many perilous and dreadful repercussions, both for the local population and the European countries, as Turkey's destabilization campaign creates a futile breeding ground for the resurgence of terrorist organizations such as ISIS. The large-scale attacks on the Al-Hasaka province in January 2022 only provide a short glimpse of the impending dangerous impact a revival of terrorist activists might have on the region and the European countries, as the current disastrous condition in North and East Syria could likely cause a new wave of mass migration to Europe, particularly Germany. The international community, therefore, has to intervene and cease its current policy of silently condoning Turkey's constant attacks on the region under the pretext of fighting alleged terrorist activities and maintaining its own security interests.